Pricing is a critical aspect of any real estate transaction as it directly impacts the sales success and net profit that goes straight into your pocket. By employing the right pricing strategy, sellers can attract potential buyers and maximize their returns. So let's dive into the world of pricing strategies and discover their benefits. This is the Market Brew. Hi everyone, Mike Tilford here. There's no one-size-fits-all strategy when pricing your home for sale. That's why it's important to work with an agent that understands buyer expectations within a given marketplace and is aware of current market trends. Only with this knowledge can an agent find you the right buyer for your home with the greatest net profit in your pocket in the shortest time possible. Let's get into it. First off is a premium pricing strategy. This strategy involves setting a higher price than similar homes to position your property as a luxury or exclusive offering. Premium pricing can create a perception of exclusivity and luxury in the minds of potential buyers. By positioning your home as a high-end property, you attract buyers who are specifically seeking premium residences and are willing to pay a premium price. If your home possesses exceptional features, premium pricing allows you to highlight and monetize these attributes fully. Whether it's breathtaking views, custom finishes, or unique architectural design, buyers seeking distinctive properties may be willing to pay a premium. Setting a higher price initially provides room for negotiation. Buyers may make offers below the asking price, but you can still reach a satisfactory agreement while maximizing your return. When successfully executed, premium pricing can result in a higher profit margin. If your property is truly exceptional and appeals to the luxury market, buyers may be willing to pay well above market value. I have to be honest here, of the three different strategies I talk about today, this is probably the most dangerous overall. When you list your home on the market, it's important to get off the ground running. And if you're listed too high from the outset, you're going to kill your momentum. In practice, if we are listed too high, we're going to limit the amount of interest in the early weeks of our listing, which is when you will typically see the most activity. Fewer buyers will preview your home and less offers will be received, if any at all. If buyers do preview your home, it'll just make all the properly priced competition look all the better by comparison. If by some chance you do receive an offer over market value, you run the risk of having it not appraised and the deal falling apart. So is it worth listing above market value? Well, I guess it depends. In a hot seller's market, it may be effective in getting an offer over market value, so long as you aren't priced too high. But you really need to be tuned into the market, not overestimate what market value of your home actually is. At the end of the day, this is a discussion between you and your agent, but be careful out there. Next is the aggressive pricing strategy. In a competitive real estate market, setting a lower price than similar homes can create a sense of urgency and attract multiple offers. This pricing approach aims to generate a bidding war among interested buyers. By listing your home at a slightly lower price, you capture the attention of potential buyers who might have initially overlooked your property. This increased buyer interest can lead to a higher number of showings and inquiries. With more interested buyers, your home is likely to sell more quickly. The sense of urgency created by aggressive pricing can motivate buyers to act swiftly and submit competitive offers, reducing the time your property spends on the market. Multiple interested buyers often result in competing offers. As buyers strive to outbid one another, you may receive offers above the initial asking price, driving up the final sales price. As the seller, you hold a stronger position during negotiations when there is heightened buyer interest. This can allow you to negotiate more favorable terms, such as a faster closing or fewer contingencies. Finally, we have the strategic pricing strategy. This approach involves setting a price that aligns with market conditions and positions your home competitively against similar properties. By pricing your home in line with similar properties, you appeal to qualified buyers who have done their research. They recognize the value your home offers within the market, increasing the likelihood of a successful sale. Lenders require appraisals to determine the fair market value of a property. Strategic pricing can help ensure that the appraiser's opinion of market value aligns with your desired sales price, reducing the risk of financing issues for potential buyers. Strategic pricing aims to strike a balance between generating buyer interest and maximizing your return. You create an attractive proposition without undervaluing your property, thus enticing potential buyers while still ensuring a fair price. By setting a price aligned with market expectations, your home is likely to spend less time on the market. This reduces the chances of buyers perceiving it as overpriced or stale, ultimately increasing the likelihood of a timely sale. And there you have it, the 3 pricing strategies for selling a home. Each approach offers distinct benefits depending on market conditions, property characteristics, and seller preferences. Remember, choosing the right pricing strategy requires careful consideration and consultation with a trusted real estate professional. Well, that's it for today. I'll see you next time, and as always, I'm never too busy for your referrals.